Today I'm going to show you how to repair this Carhart jacket and make it last longer. This jacket's probably 15 years old and showing some wear and tear. But a hole like this, if you don't repair it, it can get a lot bigger. It can get caught on stuff, it'll tear and get larger. So you want to try and repair any type of damage while it's small. I'm going to take some close to the same color thread. Pull off about 2 feet. Cut it. And what I want to do is take that end, and it always gets a little frayed, so I put it between on the top of my tongue and close my maw. Get it wet, and that brings all the little fibers together. And I'll see if I can thread this needle. The needle hole's really small. I wish the sun was out. Easier to see then. Oh, I think I got it. There we go. And I'm going to pull it through so the tail is about half the length of the total length. So then I'm going to start. Actually, this needs to be sewed down here, but right now I'm going to start right here. Carefully push that needle through. Pull almost all the thread to and leave a tail about 2 inches long, 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Wrap it around, pull it tight, and then I'm going to make a loop. I'm going to run it up the bottom so it crosses over and pull that tight, and then I'll just trim off that little bit of tail. And now it's just a matter of going through one side. You need to go in, it kind of depends on the fabric, in one side, not the other, about 1/8 of an inch. But there again, it depends on the fabric. You need to get into good cross weave so that it doesn't just pull right out, because the edge of the fabric here is all frayed. Cinch that up tight and then just keep on going. And I'm going about 1/8 of an inch away from the last stitch. You don't need to go super tight, but you don't want to go too far over either. And I've gone about 1/2 inch, and I'm going to tie a knot here. So I'm going to cinch that up, make a loop. I'm going to run the needle through the loop. I'm going to pull it tight. I'll do that one more time. Just in case the thread gets cut here or up here, I haven't gone yet. The knot will help it from fraying further. So I've made a loop right there. Take the needle, run it through the loop. You can go once, I'm going to go twice. And cinch it up. And then I'll finish going up this way. And I'll show you the completed. So I've sewn all the way up to the end of that hole. And now I want to make a knot. I want to make one more stitch there. I'll do it again, and there again I'm going to make a knot. I'm going to make a loop, run the needle through, around, and cinch it up tight. And I'm going to do one more. This jacket takes a lot of use and abuse, and I want it to hold together, and I want it to last a long time. So there, I've made a loop, run the needle through, run it through again, cinch it up tight, and just trim that off. Leave about 1/8 inch tail, because if the knot gets loosened up, it'll just pull right out. So I have some more holes that I need to fix in this, and I'll look all over the jacket and repair anything that needs to be done. This is kind of getting frayed, could use some sewing. There's a hole on the inside of the sleeve. I need to repair that. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.